Hello, in this video we will see how to delete a Facebook page using your desktop browser, and I will show you the complete steps, so hang on and watch till the end of the video. So there might be several reasons why you might want to delete your Facebook page. Maybe you don't need it anymore, but if you want to continue, maybe you can consider the options of editing the page, changing its overall look and feel, information and things like that. Otherwise, if you don't need it anymore, yes, of course you can delete it, and we will see the steps in this video. And if you like the video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. This will motivate me to make more videos in the future. Okay, let's start. So to delete your Facebook page, of course you have to log into your Facebook account first. And when you log in, you will not see any options to delete the page directly from the home screen or the dashboard, let's say. What you need to do is you need to click on your Facebook profile picture and then click on switch. This will allow you to switch to your Facebook page. Select the page that you want to delete. After that, Facebook will switch to the page. Now click on the Facebook profile picture for the page again, and then click on security and privacy, and then click on settings. In the settings page, click on privacy, and then click on Facebook page information. In the Facebook page information, you will be able to see deactivation and deletion. Click on it. You are now presented with two options: deactivate page or delete page. As you can see, deactivate page is temporary and delete page is permanent. So since we want to delete the page, we will select delete page. Now you get this option whether you want to download information about your page. If you want, you can do so, otherwise click continue. Confirm the page deletion. As you can see, if you delete a Facebook page, it is not immediately deleted, it is deactivated. You have 30 days to reactivate the page if you want to. Click on continue, and finally you will see the screen that the page is not available right now. Now to confirm the page deletion, click on the Facebook profile picture again and click on switch, and then click on see all pages. Here you will see all the pages that you manage, and the page that you just deleted is on the right under deactivated pages. And as you can see, there is an activate button as well, because you have 30 days to reactivate the page if you want to. So that's it, guys. For some reason, if you want to delete your Facebook page, then that is the steps to follow, and this is on a web browser, but you can follow similar steps and menus on a mobile app. The navigation will be slightly different, but the basic menus will be the same. So if you want to delete a Facebook page, you can follow the steps shown in the video. Thank you.